Within the last hour, we have learned that a toddler has died from pertussis in Spokane County.
This is the first death from that illness now in more than 10 years. According to the Spokane Regional Health District, the child was under the age of 5 and passed away in November. However, the cause of death was just confirmed by the CDC. They said that other health factors also contributed to the death and that the child had not yet completed their vaccination series. Pertussis, also known as whooping cough, is a bacterial infection that causes severe coughing and is dangerous for children and the elderly.